Hello guys, this is my Honda cb125f bike. So I will show you how to replace the headlight bulb. So that's pretty much working, but I need just upgraded my headlight bulb. I will show you which one I ordered. So I ordered this bulb from Halford. It's a 200% bright H4472. And you can see over here there's a 12 volt, 660, 55 volt, and there's a completely road legal, just upgraded version, and there's a more brighter and light shade as well. So now I'm going to start the procedure of change that bulb. I will show you step by step. So that's my bike. You can see over here cb125f. Oh, there's a bit crack over here. And after that I just order a back box as well. I will show you in next video how to fit that back box. So I will show you step by step now. So what we need one screwdriver, the star one. Here we have it, 2 screws on the top, and 2 screws on the bottom. I already removed that. Right. So we just need to unscrew that with a star. Same. Right. So I already removed these 2 from the bottom. It's the same like a top one, same screws. I told you before that's a star. Right. So what's the next step? We just need to just pull up gently. I will show you how to do. Yeah, that's it. Just be careful guys, because we have a loads of wire connection over here, speedometer wire, and there's all indicators. I will show you in my next video how to change that indicators. So here we are. That's our main headlight bulb. we have 2 click wires like that on other side as well. Let's pull that up. Yeah, so that's it done. So that's our bulb. So what we need to do, we just remove that bulb from the plug. Here's the plug. That's easy to do. we just remove that pins, and that's our bulb. So I'm going to open this bulb, the upgraded one. And that's our new bulb. So what we just need to remove that clips, or you can open that screw as well. Just this comes off easily. So what I done, I just stoop it loose and this comes off, and that's our old bulb. So we just replace that old bulb with a new upgraded one. Thus I remove the old bulb from here. So that's our plug, and you can see this dust particle inside, so we need to clean as well. And that's our new bulb. So I just place the new bulb in. I just put everything together, and that's going inside. And that clip, that side we need to screw over here. Thus we just screw that clip from one side. So now same thing we need to do other side, but other side just click. Same on this side, just click that. So now you can see this properly secured. So gently just cover that. Gently just cover that light head. So now that's ready. We replace that bulb, and everything is goes back on a proper position. So what we need to do just put that headlights back on that base. So again, just put that back on the position, so you can see that's on back on a proper position, right? These are two screws going back into. Put that top screw in place. That's the other one. So that's ready from top. So let's see, another two screw from the bottom. That's it. Job done. That's our new light. Good. How bright is that? That's it. Job done. Thanks for watching my video. That's my first video. I hope you like that. Follow me for more videos on Honda. Thanks.